The 2026 Wealth Blueprint. 5 high-paying side hustles to start right now. Introduction: 0 minutes to 1 minute, 30 seconds. The financial world in 2026 has changed forever. If you are still relying on a single source of income or a traditional 9-to-5 job, you are living on thin ice. The cost of living is rising, but so is the digital economy. Today, we aren't just talking about making a few extra dollars. We are talking about building a sustainable, high-income business from your laptop. In this video, I am going to break down 5 high-paying side hustles that are exploding right now. These are models that don't require you to be a tech genius or have a massive bank account to start. Whether you are looking to quit your job or just want financial security, these are the paths to profit in 2026. Stick around until the end because the 5th hustle is something 99% of people are overlooking, and it's the most profitable one on this list. Hustle 1: AI Content Specialist, 1:30 to 3. First, let's talk about being an AI content specialist. We have moved past the era where people were afraid AI would take their jobs. Now the people who use AI are taking the jobs of those who don't. Companies today are overwhelmed. They need to post on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and their company blogs every single day to stay relevant. But they don't have the time. As an AI content specialist, you use advanced tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney to create a full month's worth of professional content in just a few days. You aren't just a writer, you're a content strategist. You help businesses maintain a digital presence without them having to lift a finger. Most creators in this space are charging anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per month per client. With just 3 clients, you are already making a 6-figure income. Hustle 2: Remote Appointment Setting, 3 to 4:30. The second hustle is remote appointment setting. This is the ultimate work from anywhere job. Here is the reality. There are thousands of online coaches, consultants, and agencies selling high-ticket services. Their main problem isn't getting leads, it's talking to them. They have hundreds of messages sitting in their DMs from potential customers. Your job is to go into their accounts, talk to these leads, answer their basic questions, and book them for a sales call. You are the filter. You don't need to sell anything, you just need to set the appointment. Most setters earn a base pay plus 5 to 10% commission on every sale. If the coach sells a $5,000 program, you could make $500 from a single conversation. It's fast, it's scalable, and all you need is a phone. Hustle 3: YouTube Automation, 4:30 to 6. Third on our list is YouTube automation. This is my personal favorite because it allows you to build a digital asset that pays you while you sleep. Most people think you need to be a celebrity to make money on YouTube, but that's not true. Faceless channels in niches like finance, luxury, and technology are making tens of thousands of dollars a month in ad revenue alone. You hire a freelance scriptwriter, an AI voiceover, and an editor, or you do it all yourself using AI tools. Once the video is live, it works for you 24/7. In 2026, YouTube is the new real estate. Every video you upload is like owning a small piece of land that pays you rent every month. The key here is consistency and choosing a niche that advertisers are willing to pay a lot for. Hustle 4: Specialized Digital Solutions, 6 to 7:15. Number 4 is Specialized Digital Solutions. We are living in the age of efficiency. People are tired of complex software. They want simple tools that solve specific problems. This could be a specialized Notion template for real estate agents, an automated bookkeeping spreadsheet for freelancers, or a custom GPT for law firms. The magic of digital products is that you build them once and sell them forever. There is no inventory, no shipping costs, and no limit to how many people can buy. You can set up a store on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy and reach customers all over the world. This is the definition of making money in your sleep. Hustle 5, Ghostwriting for Executives, 7:15 to 8:30. Finally, we have ghostwriting for executives. In 2026, your digital ID is your reputation. High-level CEOs and founders know they need to be active on platforms like LinkedIn to attract investors and talent, but they are too busy running their companies. They need someone who can sit down with them for 30 minutes a week, listen to their ideas, and turn them into viral posts. This is a high-status skill. You are helping powerful people build their legacy. Because of the high value you provide, you can charge premium prices. It's not uncommon for executive ghostwriters to charge $4,000 a month for just a few posts a week. Conclusion, 8:30 to 9. The opportunities in 2026 are bigger than ever before, but they require you to take the first step. Don't try to do all 5